Set the fan limit control so the blower only runs when furnace heat exchanger temperature requires it to move warm air into the house. Set the blower on point at 120 degrees Fahrenheit and the off point between 85 and 90 degrees Fahrenheit to allow proper heat transfer without unnecessary fan run time. Verify the bimetallic spring inside the control is functioning by manually cycling the control and watching for a crisp response. A sluggish or no response indicates the spring has weakened or is stuck. If the set points change the blower behavior only slightly or not at all, recalibrate the limit control using the manufacturer's adjustment procedure or replace the control with a new unit matched to the furnace model and heat rise requirements. When replacing, match the on and off differentials to the furnace rated heat rise so the blower does not pull cool combustion gases through the exchanger or leave heat stranded in the cabinet. Always power down the furnace and lock out the electrical supply before adjusting or swapping the control and confirm power is restored and the burner cycles normally after work is complete. Keep a temperature probe handy to spot check the actual plenum temperature versus the control settings during a normal heating cycle. Common mistakes include setting the on temperature too low, which makes the blower run too early and wastes energy. So raise the on point to 120 degrees and verify the blower starts only after the exchanger reaches that temperature. Another frequent issue is an on-to-off differential that is too small, causing short cycling of the blower. Increase the off threshold to between 85 and 90 degrees, so the blower runs long enough to move heat effectively. Finally, a failed bimetallic spring or dirty control contacts can make the blower ignore the settings. If cleaning the contacts does not restore proper function, replace the entire limit control. We run bighomeprojects.com to help homeowners find trusted local contractors for work like furnace calibration and blower adjustments. Our site also helps contractors find jobs and join an active discussion community where professionals and homeowners share practical tips and troubleshooting experience.